Rachael Ray Hard Anodized Nonstick 10-Piece Cookware Set. The Rachael Ray Nonstick 10-Piece Cookware Set is the best-selling hard anodized cookware set. It's made of hard anodized aluminum. An anode electrode is passed through it to increase the oxide coating on the outside of the aluminum. This makes the aluminum resistant to corrosion and wear and tear. The anodizing process is what produces the lovely graphite look to the pans pictured left. This cookware set has a non-stick interior, and the handles are made from stainless steel that is wrapped in orange silicone that is cool to touch. The lids are glass, safe for cooking, and they allow you to watch the food as it cooks. Here is what comes with this set. * 2 French skillets, frying pans, one 8-inch and one 10-inch. * 2 covered saucepans, a 1.5 quart pan and a 3 quart pan. * a 3 quart covered sauté pan. * a 6 quart covered stockpot. In other words, the 10 pieces consist of 6 pans and 4 lids. The pans, including the handles, are safe in ovens up to 400 F. They come with a limited lifetime warranty as long as you only cook on a low to medium heat, and you don't wash them in a dishwasher. However, washing by hand is not a problem as long as you make sure you soak the pans first in soapy water to soften any food stuck to the pan. Then use mild dish soap and a gentle sponge to clean. They advise you not to use on a glass or ceramic stovetop. It is recommended that you cook with a wooden, plastic or silicone spoon to preserve the non-stick interior. Don't use metal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.